Welcome you all once again. Now we are going to discuss third paragraph. Here is written, the world is divided into a number of climatic regions. Yesterday I have discussed how world is divided into number of climatic conditions. Which factor is responsible? We find that factor like latitudinal extent of any country and altitude which presence in the same country. Besides, location of any country nearer to the ocean, either far away from the ocean. Besides, blowing of winds, especially ocean current, which are cold either warm. These are some factors which responsible for create differences in the climatic condition of any country. Do you know what type of climate India has and why it is so? Obviously we can say India fall in the monsoonal type of climate because most of the rains which we receive due to cause of monsoonal winds which came from the ocean towards the land, especially during the summer seasons, during rainy seasons we can say. We will learn about in these chapters same things. Now one do you know is given here, related the term monsoon. Monsoon is derived from the Arabic word. It means taken from the Arabian word, and the word is mausim. In Arabian, the word mausim refers to the weather, which literally means seasons. Mausim means seasons. We can also say in Hindi, mausham. Mausim, mausham, season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. It means within 1 year, mausim take place as a seasonal reversal of the winds from land towards the ocean, from ocean towards the land, due to variation over the due to variations in the case of temperature over the land and water. Because most of the time I have told you all in the classroom also, air pressure totally responsible for the variations of temperature. If temperature is high, then air pressure become low, and beside, if temperature become low, then pressure become high. And winds always follow variations within the air pressure, which is known as pressure gradient. Remember it. Pressure gradient means variations of air pressure between specific two places. If there is variation in two places related to air pressures, then winds start to blow from high pressure area towards the low pressure area. Now, the climate of India is described as monsoon type. The climate of India is described as monsoon type because monsoonal winds moving from lands towards water and from waters towards the land. During the summer seasons, especially in the case of India, when sunlight directly overheaded near the Tropic of Cancer, on the same time land masses become earlier hot as comparison to the water, because the rate of heating and cooling of land is faster as comparison to the water bodies, and the rate of heating and cooling of water bodies are slower as comparison to the land. That is why there is create variations within the temperatures over the land and water. So what happened? during the summer seasons. High temperatures develop over the land mass and low temperatures generate over the water bodies of the oceans, like in Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Oceans. So, due to low temperatures over the ocean side, pressure become high, and due to high temperature on the land, pressure become low. So, winds are start to blow from ocean bodies towards the land, and when these winds start to blow from water bodies towards the land, then due to friction it's receive moistures from the oceans, and when these winds which carry moistures from the ocean side block their directions blocked by the due to presence of mountains, then same regions receive rainfall. Either these winds entered in the river valley area, so river valley area also receive rainfall. Now this type of climate is found mainly in the South and Southeast Asia. It means what? It means similar conditions develop over the South Asia and Southeast Asia. That is why South Asian country and Southeast Asian countries experienced a monsoonal type of climate. Now written here, despite an overall unity in the general patterns, there are perceptible regional variations in the climatic conditions within the country. Perceptible regional variation means what? It means variations which can show, variations which we realize that variation in the case of amount of rainfall which is known as perceptible, means जो प्रतीत होता है, जो दिखता है, and we can easily follow in which type of perceptible variations create over the Indian landmass. It is clear? Now let us take two important element, temperature and precipitation, because these two are the such elements of the weather and monsoon which can be easily perceptible all over the country, because amount of rainfall vary from region to region, temperature also vary from region to regions. It is clear? And example, how are they vary from place to place and seasons to seasons. How these are vary place to place and season to seasons? Through examples we discuss during the next class, because earlier I have told you that we have lot of times, so you don't feel bored and your understanding become very good when we move slowly in these chapters. Thank you.